Today on the Point Blank Performance YouTube channel, we're in our repair shop. If you hadn't checked out, guys, we just moved into our brand new facility. We'll throw up the link above. We've got our showroom up front and over 3,000 square foot of repair. Now guys, our whole intention of the video today is this. We've got our L5P Duramax on the dyno, our L5P soot video, and we have our C1 HP package on the dyno. My personal self, I like all the hype. I like putting the install kit on the truck, we put it on the dyno, it makes big numbers, everybody's happy, it's out the door. But you guys are giving more feedback to this. The L5P videos with all the soot content, meaning when the emission system fails, you guys are eating that up. And we love to give that to you. We just want to know more in depth, hey, do you want all of the video long drawn out, or do you want more crucial criteria from the emission system, how it works and how this affects you, the customer? And that brings us to this. Next Friday, we're dropping a YouTube video of this 2013 Power Stroke. Had a complete fuel system that failed. It's on our bin pack lift. We're going to get it up. You guys are going to get to see that. But we want to hear from you. Do you want to see it in detail, or you just want to see the install? Take this dude out on the road and we're done. We think you want more. Brings us to this. Let's check it out. We've got an LV7 Duramax on our 4-post lift. Brand new paint job, customer's dream truck. Pretty slick. Why is it here at Point Blank Performance? Because the truck needs to go faster, right? So he wins. And we're going to do a few cosmetic things. We're going to start back here at the fuel tank. We're going to put our sump in there. We're going to move up here. We'll have our fast system installed on the frame. Then we go to the transmission, because we know we're going to beat up this transmission when we add power to it. We're going to be replacing the stock unit with a Whirly Custom Fab 750 horse capable transmission. This is where you guys need to jump in the comments and go, hey, what about that transmission? How does it run? How does it shift? If I buy one of those, man, what do I need to expect? These are things, as an enthusiast, you guys can ask us, and we're going to give you the replies that you guys want. We're going to top this build off. Whenever you pop the hood, we're going to have a brand new turbo system on this truck. We're going to have a Whirly Custom Fab piping kit. So we've got all that going on for this build on an LB7 Duramax. And my question is to you guys viewing this is, hey, if this was your LB7 Duramax, what all would you do to it? How much power would it make? Would you take off the big wheels and tires? If you're replacing the suspension system on this truck, what brand would you go with? We'd love to hear from you guys. My personal opinion, I'd like to see a hood stack on this truck. LMO guys, we have not forgot about you. We've got our 2015 Blanca, our super diesel, that was on the cover of Diesel Tech magazine, coming up for you guys, and it'll be back on the Built series. We did go through a tornado earlier this year. We're not going to dwell on it. The truck's kind of trashed as far as how it looks, but got to get it detailed up. It's going to go on the lift, get the engine that we have here, get the transmission we have here installed. We're just waiting to finish up on the SDP compound turbo kit. It's going to get shipped to us, and it's go time. Guys, we did just get some new PvP merch. Check it out. It says Arkansas on it. Why? We're from Arkansas. Guys, that's how we made these hoodies. If you want to order these, I know you don't like talking to me, go to our website, go to the gear tab. You can jump on there. These orders ship out the same day, all through the month of October, 30 bucks. Next week, we've got our Ford guys on deck, so make for sure you like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and we'll see you next week here at PvP.